Hello, I'm Mr. Mike. Today we are going to learn letter B. So jump on board and let's go.
With Mr. Mike's bus, our learning never ends.
Fat Cat Books. Please subscribe and press the bell. Get the full revision resources for this course at fatcatbooks.uk.
Mr. Mike's phonics bus is coming down the street, along with this fat cat who loves to eat. The wheels go round, the horn goes beep. Hop on board, let's learn and leap. Reading and writing is so much fun. From A to Z, it's a grand lesson on this magical bus every single day. Mr. Mike and Fat Cat lead the way, so hop aboard and start.
Here we are. It's the letter B stop. Everybody, you can jump off. Let's go learn what sound is letter B and what starts with letter B. Hello again. This is my steam train. I also have a letter on the back. Do you know what letter that is? That's right, it's the letter B, the big letter B. Great job, well done. Now what sound does the letter B make? I need to think of some words that start with letter B. What's that? Do you know? That's right, it's a bear. Can you say B is for bear? Bear. Roar. Now you try. Great job, well done. Now I need to think of another word that starts with letter B. What's that? Do you know? That's right, it's a bag. Can you say B is for bag? Bag. You try. Great job, well done. Now I need to think of one more word that starts with letter B. What's that? Do you know? That's right, it's a ball. Can you say B is for ball? Ball. Now you try. Great job, well done! Now that we know the sound of the big letter B, let's try and say it one more time. B. Now you try. Excellent, well done! You did a fantastic job! Now I also have another letter on my train. Do you know what letter that is? That's right, it's also letter B. It's the small letter B. What sound does the small letter B make? I need to think of some words that start with letter B. What's that? Do you know? That's right, it's a boat. Can you say B is for boat? Boat. Now you try. Excellent, well done. I need to think of another word that starts with letter B? What's that? Do you know? That's right, it's a banana. Can you say B is for banana? Banana. You try. Excellent, well done. You are doing a fantastic job. Now I need to think of one last word that starts with letter B. What's that? Do you know? That's right, it's a bug. Great job. Can you say B is for bug? Bug. You try. Great job! Well done! You did a fantastic job! Now that we know the sound of the big letter B and the small letter B, let's say the sound one more time. I'll say it first, then you try. B. Now you try. Excellent! Well done! You did a fantastic job! Now I need to go to find some treasure. Goodbye! Look, it's a bear. It's a bag. It's a ball. It's a boat. It's a banana. And it's a bug. Make learning to read fun and easy. Go to fatcatbooks.uk.
Where is Mr. Mike?
He is at letter B.
Hello again. I'm looking for some treasure that starts with letter B. Can you help me row my boat? Great! Get your paddle ready and row the boat like this. Row, row. You try. Very good. Now let me know if you see any treasure chests. What? You see a treasure chest? Where? Over there. There is a red treasure chest. Let's quickly row over to it. Row, row. Look, it's a red treasure chest. Let's open it and see what's inside. It's no use. The treasure chest is locked. I need to use one of my keys to open the treasure chest. Can you help me choose the right key to open the red treasure chest? Of course, the red key opens the red treasure chest. I'll put my keys safely in my pocket. It's a bat. A bat starts with B. Can you say B is for bat? Bat. Great job! Well done! Now you go back to the boat. I'll grab the bat. Hello, I'm still looking for treasure that starts with letter B. Help me row my boat and don't forget to tell me when you see a treasure chest. What? You see a treasure chest? Where? Over there! There is our pink treasure chest. Let's quickly row over to it. Row, row! Look, it's our pink treasure chest. Let's open it and see what's inside. It's no use. I can't open the treasure chest. I will need to use one of my keys. Do you know which key would open the pink treasure chest? Well done! The pink key will open the pink treasure chest. I'll put my keys safely in my pocket. It's a bun! A bun starts with B. Can you say B is for bun? Bun. Excellent, well done. Now you go back to the boat. I will grab the bun. Hello, I'm still looking for treasure that starts with letter B. Get your paddle ready and help me row my boat. And don't forget to tell me when you see a treasure chest. What? You see a treasure chest? Where? Over there! There is a blue treasure chest. Let's quickly row over to it. Row, row! Look, it's a blue treasure chest. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, it's no use. The blue treasure chest is also locked. I will need to use one of my keys to open it. Can you help me choose the right key? Well done! The blue key opens the blue treasure chest. I'll put my keys safely in my pocket. Now let's open the treasure chest. It's a balloon. A balloon starts with B. Can you say B is for balloon? Balloon. Great job, well done. Now you go back to the boat. I'll grab the balloon. Hello! You have helped me find so much treasure that starts with letter B. Great job! But I'm still looking for more treasure that starts with letter B. Help me paddle my boat and don't forget to tell me when you see a treasure chest. What? You see another treasure chest? Where? Over there! There is a gold treasure chest. Let's quickly row over to it. Row, row! Look! It's a gold treasure chest. Let's open it and see what's inside. It's no use. The gold treasure chest is locked. I will need to use one of my keys. Can you help me pick the right key? Of course! The gold key opens the gold treasure chest. Well done! I will put my keys safely in my pocket. Okay, let's open the treasure chest. It's a bath! A bath starts with B. Can you say B is for bath? Bath. Excellent! Well done! Now you go back to the boat. I'll grab the bath. Hello? We need to be very quiet. Shh! There are some pirates over there.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
So, we need to row very quietly. Row, row. And don't forget to tell me when you see a treasure chest. You see a treasure chest? Where? Over there. There is a purple treasure chest. Let's row very quickly and quietly over to the purple treasure chest. Row, row. Shh. Row, row. Shh. The pirates are just over there.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow.
So, we will need to keep quiet. Shh. It's a purple treasure chest. Let's open it and see what's inside. It's no use. It's locked. I will need to use one of my keys to open the purple treasure chest. Can you help me choose the right key? Of course, the purple key opens the purple treasure chest. Well done! I'll put my keys safely in my pocket. Now, let's open the treasure chest. Wow! It's a bin! Bin starts with B. Can you say B is for bin? Bin! Excellent! Well done! Oh no! I was too loud! The pirates! They heard me!
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Quick! You run back to the boat! I will grab the bin!
Meow. Meow.
Ah! The pirates are after my treasure! Row as quickly as you can! Ah!
Meow.
Ah!
Meow, 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 meow.
Ah!
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Whew. I escaped the pirates. Whew. But I'm still looking for treasure that starts with letter B. Can you help me row my boat? And don't forget to tell me when you see a treasure chest. What? You see a treasure chest? Where? Over there. There is a green treasure chest. Let's quickly row over to it. Row, row. Look, it's a green treasure chest. Let's open it and see what's inside. No use. This one is also locked. I will need to use one of my keys to open the green treasure chest. Can you help me pick the right key? course! The green key opens the green treasure chest. Well done! I'll put my keys safely in my pocket. Look, it's a bush. A bush starts with B. Can you say B is for bush? Bush. Excellent! Well done! Now you go back to the boat. I will grab the bush. Hello! We have found so many things that start with letter B. Let's try and remember all of our treasure that starts with letter B. A balloon starts with B. Can you say balloon? Excellent, well done. A bat starts with B. Can you say bat? Excellent, well done. A bush starts with B. Can you say bush? Excellent. A bath starts with B. Can you say bath? Well done. A bun starts with B. Can you say bun? Well done. And a bin starts with B. Can you say bin? Excellent! You did a fantastic job. Can you think of anything else that starts with B? A bear? Of course! A bear starts with B. Bear. Huh? Behind me? Ah! It's a bear! There is a bear behind me! I hope you enjoyed the video. If you still need practice, you can download some free flashcards. Also, you can get an extended flashcard pack. Just visit fatcatbooks.uk or check the link in the description. I have many other phonics materials, such as my audio flashcard pack, which comes with a virtual teacher, which allows your child to discover the words with a press of a finger. I also have an awesome colouring poster pack, which is great for decorating the room. These and much more are available in my phonics programs. Just go to fatcatbooks.uk to learn more or check the link in the description. You can learn the alphabet with our A to Z Phonics Animal Alphabet Learning Bundle. It's packed with a range of awesome flashcards for learning the letters, how to write and the sounds, as well as a whole world of animals and their homes. Let's take a look at what you get. You get an animal alphabet poster, along with a letter and animal pronunciation tutorial video hosted by me, Mr. Mike. You can hang this vibrant poster in your classroom or playroom to help your little ones remember each letter alongside an adorable animal illustration. Watch the captivating animal alphabet video to learn all of the animals and the associated letters and sounds. Bring the alphabet and the animal kingdom to life with these fun flashcards. Each letter is paired with an animal whose name starts with the letter. Learn the sounds of the letters and the names of the animals with me, Mr. Mike, in a free video available on my YouTube channel. It's a fun musical lesson to make learning the animals and the alphabet a joyous experience. Our animal alphabet colouring worksheets spark creativity. Each page features a wacky letter that looks like the animal that starts with that letter. From A to adorable alligator to Z for zippy zebra. It includes both uppercase and lowercase letters to let your little artists colour their way through the alphabet while reinforcing letter recognition. Make learning animals and the letters much easier with the Animal Alphabet Trace, Match and Sort flashcards. It's the perfect tool for helping young learners learn the names of a range of animals. Discover 85 cute animals. These creatures are sure to spark curiosity. From the Canadian wilderness to the Australian outback, from the desert sands to the lush rainforest, our flashcards introduce children to a diverse array of animals. Each card focuses on the beginning letter sound of the animal name to help kids learn the consonants and short vowel sounds first. So no animals starting with long vowels, soft C or G or digraphs, like giraffe, which starts with a J sound, not a G sound, or sheep, which starts with a sh sound, not a s sound. This requires extra rules or letters to understand why the sound is different, which we can learn later after mastering the basic letter sounds first. Our visual image leaves a lasting impression. Our flashcards provide cute, vibrant cartoon pictures and real-life photos. The cute cartoons will grab their attention, while the real-life photos give a more memorable context. The real-life flashcards include 3 to 4 photos of animals in their natural habitat. Also, both types of cards provide an easy-to-follow tracing stroke instructions for the first letter of the animal in both uppercase and lowercase forms, as well as tracing for the whole name of the animal. Nurture keen observational skills by comparing real-life photos of similar-looking animals. Encourage them to discuss characteristics and differences. For example, the alligator and the crocodile. Have a look at their snouts. Can you see the difference? Or the turtle and the tortoise. Have a look at where they live. This will improve your child's attention to detail. The font of the letters has been carefully curated to avoid confusion and ensure memorization, ease of writing and accuracy when reading and writing. For example, the uppercase letter I has the serifs, the 2 horizontal lines, to avoid being confused with the lowercase letter L. We also provide copies of the words that have the letter Q in them with cues that have the distinctive tail to help those students who struggle with confusing P and Q. The cute cartoons and engaging real-life photos help stimulate conversation and are the perfect encouragement for those children who struggle to engage in conversation. Many of the animals are often favourable characters in popular children's books. The flashcards can allow them a chance to share stories and even real-life encounters they've had with these animals. These flashcards aren't just cards, they're interactive games. Print them as sorting mats, such as habitats, and sort the animals into places where they live. This is great for early learners. You can also sort them by animal actions and more advanced homes. This is a good level up for early learners. See if they know what lives in a stable or what makes a burrow. Or match the animals to what body part they have and learn the names of the parts of animal bodies. Some are easy and suitable for early learners, but some can be a bit tricky and are good for more advanced students. For even more advanced students, you can print out biomes and animal classifications, such as mammals, fish, reptile, and so on. Build up their scientific minds by thinking about what makes the animals different from each other and how it helps them live in their biome. Build up to writing letters and strengthen fine motor skills with the range of line, pattern and shape tracing worksheets. After your children trace lines, patterns and shapes, they will be ready to trace both the uppercase and lowercase letters, accompanied by a friendly animal companion, which they can colour. You can focus on reading and writing the animal names with these animal alphabet word tracing and colouring worksheets. Children can trace the animal names and unleash their creativity by colouring the animals. This set of eye-catching flashcards includes 3 types of flashcards. The main flashcard features a letter and a corresponding word that represents the sound, which you can learn along with me, Mr. Mike, in a free video on YouTube. The second type of flashcard provides a collage of delightful illustrations along with the word. The third removes the word so it can be used for quizzes. These versatile flashcards make phonics fun. This bundle includes a total of 610 worksheets, flashcards, posters, and 2 captivating videos, providing hours of educational fun. It covers letter recognition, phonics, training fine motor skills, and building up vocabulary. It's highly engaging with colourful visuals and hands-on activities. The fun, interesting animals also make learning unforgettable. Perfect for teachers, parents and homeschoolers. Get it now at fatcatbooks.uk. Don't miss out. And don't forget to check out my fun and easy to follow phonics program. Goodbye.